Hello and welcome to pistachio farming. Today, I want to talk to you about the fascinating world of pistachio farming and why it is important to support this industry. First, let's define what pistachios are. These are a type of nut that comes from a flowering plant in the pistachio family. They are a delicious and healthy snack that are popular in many parts of the world, including the United States. Now, why is pistachio farming important? Well, for starters, it provides a valuable job opportunity for many people. In fact, the pistachio farming industry employs thousands of people worldwide. This is especially true in countries like Iran, which is the largest producer of pistachios. In addition to creating jobs, pistachio farming is also an important contributor to the local economy. Many communities rely on the sale of pistachios to support their local businesses and infrastructure. Another important aspect of pistachio farming is the role it plays in protecting the environment. Pistachios grow in warm climates, which makes them well suited for regions that experience drought or other environmental challenges. By growing pistachios, farmers can help to protect these fragile ecosystems and promote sustainable agriculture practices. Finally, pistachio farming is also important for human health. Pistachios are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and other important nutrients. They are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help to protect against a variety of health problems. In conclusion, pistachio farming is an important industry that provides jobs, supports the local economy, and promotes sustainable agriculture practices. By supporting pistachio farming, we can help to ensure that future generations can enjoy the delicious and healthy benefits of pistachios. Thank you for listening.